Good morning, lovely people. Just finished training, which went fine, thank you very much. Just a quick update today, because it's Monday, not Tuesday, so I might weigh myself in the morning and insert a little video clip into here. So you'll see that now. Okay, here goes. Talk it to myself. So I rang the hospital up on Wednesday last week because it had been over 2 weeks since I had the seminar, to ask about how long it'll take to get a letter with a date to see the surgeon on, because I'm finding without a date to get to, I'm not very motivated at all. So I don't think I'm gaining weight, but you'll have seen that. But so I rang up and asked the referral lady who deals with all these letters going out, and she said I should have an appointment for the end of April, so to see the surgeon, and then God knows how long it's going to be between that and having the operation. So we'll see, really. I don't think it's going to be, well, it's probably going to be August, September time that I'll have this operation, I reckon. Who knows? So yeah, we've had another snowfall. It's going now, but it was very, very snowy thickness yesterday, the day before. Luckily it cleared up before I had to come travelling to work. Tell you, my daughter's dog has had puppies. We lost our dog nearly 12 months ago now. It was very sad, but and I swore I'd never get another dog ever again, because it's horrible when you lose them. But these puppies have come along, and I'm a bit like, my husband is a definite no. So he's still a definite no. I've been trying to work on him for a couple of days, but he's still a definite no, because these are it's a Staffordshire Bull Terrier crossed with a Shar-Pei. Shar-Pei mix. So he's been looking at the temperament of them, the strength of them, and he doesn't think that I'm going to be able to walk this dog with the temperament that they've got, and I don't know whether I will, because the puppy we had before was a Springer Spaniel, so he wasn't a densely packed, muscular dog, and these puppies are going to be dense, muscular, strong dogs. So they look so cute, it's unbelievable, but I don't know whether I can give it the exercise attention. I mean, I'm feeling good at the moment health-wise, but that's not, I can't rely on that forever, can I? And it'd be unfair for a dog needing so much exercise to not be able to give it that. So husband's winning at the moment, but we'll see. I might have to go down and have a cuddle with these puppies and see whether that changes anybody's mind. So my husband's retiring, so it's not like he's not going to be there, it's just going to be my puppy. But then who doesn't want a dog? He doesn't want to lose another dog. So anyway, we'll see. That's about it really. Not done anything. Not been anywhere. Oh, went to ikea. When did I go to ikea? Last week sometime. And I bought myself a little kiddies, a set of 6 little kiddies plastic plates and little kiddies plastic bowls for post-surgery, and little kiddies knife, fork and spoon set so that I can eat with a little. I'm getting myself all prepared. I've not talked about the packages yet, but they're there and they're waiting for me. I do feel a bit silly about it, but hey ho. I'll have to get used to it. Oh. So yeah, that's what's happening in my life this week. Not a darn thing of any importance. I don't know what we're doing today, but I feel like we should go somewhere. The roads are not terrible to drive, so I feel like we should probably go somewhere just to get out and about, because we've been stuck in the house for the past couple of days with bloody snowstorms going on. So right, that's me done. I will speak to you soon. Bye.